my name. And the second question of the ma'am. Yes, before I came to Corinthians, I talked with Memphis, different Brazilian players also, about the club, how big the club is, and yeah, it's a project of now many years going. You see every time Corinthians is improving, so I want to be part of it, and it helps me that Memphis is here also, because I start my career with him in the youth of PSV. We had a great time together. We won trophies, and I hope I can continue in this way with him. Obrigado. Vai Corinthians!
Corinthians!